To my mathematics online tutorial, and in today's class I want to teach us division of complex numbers. Division of complex number. This is Math 101, 100 level university course. And now look at this simple problem on the board. They say let Z1 is a complex number, which is 1 plus 2i, then Z2 equal to 2 plus 3i. The question is find Z1 all over what? Z2. That is, we are asked to divide Z1 by Z2. So what are we going to do? Look at it. Z1 is 1 plus 2i all over Z2, which is 2 plus 3i. And the next thing to do is we are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. What's the conjugate of the denominator? Since we have 2 plus 3i, the conjugate becomes 2 minus 3i. So we'll be multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. That is why I wrote this. Now, it's now going to be, let's multiply now, 1 plus 2i. The conjugate is what? 2 minus 3i. Then all over, this one is 2 plus 3i multiplied by what? 2 minus 3i. Alright? Now, look at it so that I will not do mistake. 1 multiplied by 1. This is my step 1. Step 2 is 1 multiplied by 3i. Then step 3, 2i multiplied by 2. Then my step 4 here, 2i multiplied by what? Minus 3i. Now, 1 times 2, we have 2. 1 times minus 3i, you have minus 3i. Now, 2i times 2, you have plus 4i. Alright? Then 2i times minus 3i, you have minus 6i squared. Then, I'm going to do same to this other one. That is 2 multiplied by 2. The same thing we did here. That's what I'm going to do. 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. Take the same 2 again, multiply by minus 3. We have minus 6i. Alright? Now we are here. 2i multiplied by 2. We have plus 6i. Then the final step is 3i multiplied by minus 3i. We have what? Minus 9i squared. Let's check it again to avoid mistake. 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. 2 multiplied by minus 3i, we have minus 6i. 3i times 2, we have 6i. 3i times minus 3i, we have minus 9i squared. And I believe the numerator, there is no problem. Let's check again. 1 times 2, we have 2. 1 times minus 3, minus 3i. 2i times 2, and 2i times minus. So yes, we're good to go. Now, this is 2 minus 3i plus 4. Minus 3i plus 4i means 4 minus 3. So it's going to be 1i. But it's advisable to just write I. So let us not say 1i. So 1i is the same as what? I. Then minus 6i squared. But I told you in the previous class that in complex number, anywhere you see I squared is equals to minus 1. So instead of writing I squared now, put what? Minus 1. That this will be multiplying minus 6 by minus 1. All over 4. Look at this one. Minus 6i plus 6i is 0. Because you're like minus 6 plus 6. That is 6 minus 6 is 0. So there's no point writing 0i again. So now say minus 9. What is I squared? I squared is minus 1, like I told us earlier. Now, so we now have 2 plus I. Minus 6 times minus 1, we have plus 6. All over 4. Minus 9 times minus 1, we have plus 9. So at the end of the day, look at it now. We add the real part. The real part is 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is not 8. So we have 8. Now let me write it so that I will not be confused. Now 2 plus 6 we have 8. Then plus I all over 4 plus 9. 13. So this is the answer, but you can start to leave it like this. 1 all over 13, 8 plus what? I. So this is the result of dividing Z1 by Z2. Bye.